Hello, today we are making brown butter sage gnocchi. We are using 3 ingredients: butter, sage, and gnocchi. Go figure. I have recipe tested maybe 8 salads in the past 48 hours, and if I eat another vegetable, I will scream. Hence why we are making buttered carbs for dinner. Fresh sage is literally like so lovely. Oh my god, speaking of lovely, I just got this candle from Anthropologie. Literally, it smells like a warm hug. Okay, time to make the sauce. I'm gonna go get my tripod. Okay, we're melting our butter here. It's gonna start browning pretty soon, and once that starts to happen, it's gonna go pretty quickly, so you're not gonna want to walk away from this. This is a very active cooking process. So currently the milk solids are like deep frying in the milk fat. And once the milk solids turn brown, we have brown butter. I'm gonna add the sage so those can get fried up and crispy. You can see how it's like foaming up and it's starting to get brown. It's showtime. I'm pouring the butter into this container to stop the cooking process so that the butter doesn't burn. Brown butter. Okay, we're gonna salt our pasta water. Cook for only 2 minutes. I'm hitting my fried sage with a little sea salt. They're nice and crispy, look. Okay, our gnocchi is done cooking. I'm transferring it into the pan with some of our brown butter. I'm gonna turn the heat on low. Don't freak out, but I'm adding more butter. I'm adding some cold butter so we can have a nice emulsified, glossy, saucy sauce. I'm gonna add some pasta water. And some salt because I'm using unsalted butter. Oh my god. Look how saucy and creamy that is, and we literally only used butter and pasta water. Okay, now we're gonna plate her up in a plate that's also kind of a bowl. I lied, we are using another ingredient. I will be adding cheese. Now we have our crispy sage. Okay, let's try it. Wowie. Holy shit. I got a lemon out thinking it was gonna need lemon zest, but it doesn't. It's so good. You need to make this.